Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys the great fashion that I get to see here every day now that we live here in Mexico City. The style is different, how they pair things is different, and I just get inspiration when I am getting dressed up. So I hope you enjoy this, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing. I'm doing okay for the first time in a while.
Okay, so I'm loving the style. Tell me about the outfits.
You want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, so start with the shoes. I'm loving it.
Okay, so these are actually her shoes. And then we have the jeans with the white top and a pink puffer jacket.
Nice.
Yeah. I got some like khaki colored cargo pants. I got a black slip-up from Walmart and a brown shirt from my mom's closet.
Nice.
You know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti light. Confetti light. Confetti light. 1980, purple Mustang. I'm feeling myself tonight. Yeah.
Can I say?
Oh my gosh, I love your jacket. Okay, let me see the back. I love it. Love it. So tell me, what was your inspiration for the outfit?
To be honest, I had a call back this morning and I just put on something real fun.
Oh, I love it. And the bag is from?
It's from Faraday. It's actually it's a Colombian brand.
Okay.
And they make carpets with metal.
Oh.
And now they started also making bags. So this is gold with copper.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to find that. And the boots and the skirt. Absolutely. I love it.
Thank you.
Cute.
Hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti light. Confetti light. Confetti light. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling.
And
Well, I mean, like, I bought this one actually in a vintage market in Amsterdam.
Yep.
And then I bought these jeans at Zara, shoes are at Zara. I bought this one for 120 pesos.
Ooh.
Yes.
What?
This one also Zara. And then I bought this one in Miami in the Steve Madden, also a shoe store.
Oh my
So
gosh.
it's just actually not a lot of like special things, but I just put everything like that.
You look incredible. Incredible. Thank you so much.
Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sun.
So just a like, what was your inspiration, your outfits, your bag? I love it.
Inspiration, I actually just dress daily by mood. I don't know, like I just thought like, let me just wear the boots and the bag because I want to wear that. So I was thinking like I want to do the school dress.
Yes, I love it.
T-shirts, like a belt and a blazer and
Oh my gosh. I love it. Bye.